Have you ever thought about building your own gaming PC but didn't know where to start? If you're nodding your head, then you're at the right place. Today, we embark on a journey to build a budget gaming beast from scratch. We guide you in choosing powerful yet cheap components, carefully assembling them, tuning your system for unique performance, and even selecting cheap accessories to enhance your gaming experience. So, are you ready to dive into the world of DIY gaming PCs? Let's get started. The heart of any gaming PC lies in its components. The central processing unit, or CPU, is the brain of your machine. Opt for a quad-core or higher, as it provides sufficient power for most games without ruining your budget. The graphics processing unit, or GPU, is the soul of your gaming. An affordable GPU also provides a smooth gaming experience for many popular games. Next comes the access memory, or 8 to 16 gigabytes should be enough for most players. It's an essential component that directly affects your system's speed and performance. And yes, don't forget the storage. A solid-state drive, or SSD, provides fast loading times, while a hard disk drive, or HDD, provides a cheap solution for storing large files. Some people prefer a combination of both to get a balance of speed and storage capability. Remember, a well-chosen component not only saves your budget, but also enhances your gaming experience. Now that we have our components, it means that we can start organizing them. The first thing you should remember is that building a PC is like organizing a puzzle. Each piece has its place and fits in a specific way. Prepare your workspace. Ensure it is clean, well lit, and free from static electricity. A simple way to avoid static is to touch a metal part of your enclosure before touching your components. Then take your motherboard, the of your build. Carefully place your CPU, the brain of your PC, in its socket. Then insert your RAM, the temporary memory of your PC, into its slot. Remember, force is not your friend here. These components should fit properly without too much pressure. Now we are moving towards the memory. Whether you've chosen a hard drive or a solid-state drive, it should fit in a specific compartment in your enclosure. Secure it in place, not too tight. Your graphics card, the IPC, is next. It fits into the PCI Express slot of your motherboard. Again, it should fit properly without too much pressure. Finally, connect everything to the power supply, the source of life for your PC. Each component has a specific connector, a puzzle piece that fits only in its specific place. Remember, the key to a successful build is patience. Take your time, double-check everything, and don't force the components. If something isn't fitting, it isn't meant to be there. With patience and attention, you'll find that organizing your PC isn't as daunting as it seems. A well-organized PC is good, but a customized PC is excellent. Thus, dive into making your game performance even better. Firstly, let's talk about BIOS settings. BIOS, or Basic Input-Output System, is like the backbone of your PC. It monitors the data flow between your computer's operating system and connected devices. A simple way to enhance your performance is to enable XMP, or Extreme Memory Profile, which allows your RAM to work at its maximum speed. Driver updates. These are like small packets of software that help your hardware components communicate effectively with your operating system. Keeping them updated ensures that your components are working at their maximum capacity. So how do you update them? Well, for graphics cards, manufacturers like Nvidia and AMD regularly release updates. You just have to their websites, search for the correct driver for your model, and download it. Remember, a well-customized system takes your game to the next level. A great gaming PC needs great accessories. And the good news is, you don't need to spend a lot to get quality peripherals that will enhance your gaming experience. Let's start with the keyboard. There are many affordable gaming keyboards that offer mechanical switches for satisfying tactile feedback, anti-ghosting features, and customizable RGB. Gaming mice. Look for one that allows DPI settings to be adjusted for precision control. An ergonomic design for comfort during long gaming sessions, and extra programmable buttons to give you an edge in competitive games. And absolutely a good monitor is essential. Although you may not be able to afford a high-end 4K screen, there are many cheap monitors that still provide high refresh rates and low response times, which are essential for smooth, delay-free gaming. With the right accessories, your gaming setup will be complete and ready for action.